All right. A penny whistle is a both ends open pipe. If the standing wave in the pipe is 17 centimeters long, what is the wavelength and frequency of the fundamental mode of vibration? And what is the frequency of the next two modes of vibration? Oh my gosh. This is going to be very difficult. Okay, so the fundamental of both ends open, I can see if I can draw it. It's very hard to draw. Let's see if I can do this. Is there's the fundamental, looks like this. Okay. Wow. Okay, so that's actually 2/4 wavelengths. So for this one, I go 0.17 meters is 2/4 wavelengths, right? Okay. And so the wavelength is actually, well, let's see if I do that, it's going to be twice that. It's going to be 0.34 meters, right? And then the frequency is going to be, frequency is always v divided by wavelength, right? So it's going to be 343 divided by 0.34, and 343 divided by 0.34 is 1,008.8 hertz. Yay. Okay, now the next two are actually going to be, we know that this is going to go 2 times and 3 times for this guy, right? Because it's both ends open. That's the pattern that it follows, right? So the next frequency here is also going to be 2 times this, right? So if I multiply by 2, I get 2017.6 for the next frequency, and then if I multiply this by 3, I get 3026.5 hertz. Okay? So you can stop watching if you understand that. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, then we're going to have to draw those things, right? So you can just stop right now. But I'm going to keep going. I'm going to draw them and show you that they are that, okay? Okay, so now the question is, what are the next modes? Well, the fundamental looks like this, right? The next one looks like this. I really am bad at this, right? Okay, the next one looks like this. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so this guy is 2/4. This guy is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, right? And then this guy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters, right? So these are the ones we're interested in, right? So this is 0.17 is 4/4 wavelengths. So therefore, of course, lambda is just 0.17, right? Right, and the frequency is velocity over wavelength, right? And that comes from v is f lambda. Okay, so frequency is going to be 343 divided by 0.17, which is 2017.6, right? Hertz. Okay, and then we can do the same thing here. 0.17, which is this length here. My terrible artwork. Okay, 0.17 is that length, right? That equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarter wavelengths, right? So lambda is going to be, lambda is 4/6 of 0.17, right? So 0.17 times 4 divided by 6 is 0.113 bar, okay? Meters, right? And then the frequency would be 343 divided by 0.113 bar. And this is meters per second, right? So 343 divided by the answer that I just got. So I'm going second answer. Very hard to type in 3 bar. It takes such a long time. So 3026.5, roughly. It's 0.47, but there we go. Yay. Wow, you are dedicated if you made it this far in the video.